Okay, hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tradespeople's Tips. We have a Google phone, Google Pixel 7 I think it is, and as you can see on there, I may sound a bit weird because I'm laying on my chest. Yeah. Don't ask, I won't tell no lie. Alright, let's get a bit of tissue right on that. There's a bit of tissue here. Get a bit of that. And I'm just going to clean this little baby up. Make it look a bit more. Yeah? Right. I think we can work now. So, anyway, she came to me this evening. She came in from work. And she said that she's going to do this for me. She ordered all her bits. There's that. Came in this packaging. That way. Okay. Alright, so take that out of there. Squeeze up. Pull that little plastic bit off. I think I'm going to do some computer use, so I never used it. And inside this little box we have what looks like a lens cover. Pull that up there. And that opens. Got a little earbud thing, elastic band. What's it all about? Elastic band. Let's put these to one side for a minute. Got my little backup torch just to help me see a bit better. And we're gonna start off by trying to get this glass out. Even though I've got my glasses on, I don't know if you've dealt with me before, but you know me and glasses is always in a problem. So we start in the middle. Oh, now you see that? A bit of glass just flicked up, so I'm gonna warn you from now. If you're doing this, be careful of your eyes. I put my hand over there. Don't stretch up your phone. Yeah? Watch that one there, tip with tip it. Ay, people are easy. think I'm happy with that. So again, shake up the cloth. Get a nice clean work surface going again. That's what it's here, don't use it. Just come in like the cut. Just everywhere, right? People, you think I'm joking? It beer mash up for me available everywhere. So till I work at a minute, I'm just gonna go with it. You know what I mean? This. We have them two parts there. I'm just gonna touch it a little bit. Yeah, you can see this side looks very sticky. Check. Ladies and gentlemen, again from Tracy right there, rubbing people. Well, doing it. Yeah. So till next time from Tracy people, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and stop robbing people if you're doing it. You'll clear up the mess and lockdown everything. Yeah. See you later.